Have you ever wondered what benefits health shakes can offer you? Welcome to the amazing world of health shakes. We're going to dive right in, exploring their benefits, and even sharing some delicious recipes that are sure to start your day powerfully. Health shakes are nutritional powerhouses. They arm your body with essential nutrients, help maintain a healthy body weight, and are loved for their taste. We've got you some simple yet delectable recipes that are filled with goodness. These recipes are not just easy to make, but are also incredibly healthy. Whether you're an ardent health shake lover or are just venturing into the world of nutritious beverages, we have something for everyone. So get ready to be enlightened and inspired. But be warned, you might get a little hungry as we embark on this mouth-watering journey together. Stay tuned to discover some delicious and nutritious health shake recipes. A health shake is more than just a refreshing drink. Picture this, a glass brimming with crucial nutrients, infused with vitamins and minerals, all blended into one delectable gulp. That's the enduring charm of a health shake, or as we like to call it, a nutrition powerhouse. Consider myriad of nutrients that are packed into each health shake. By sipping on one, you're loading up on vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, calcium, and a host of other essential nutrients. It's similar to indulging in a buffet of nutrients, the only difference being you get to drink it. Moving beyond the nutrients, health shakes are celebrated for their role in digestion too. The secret lies in the dietary fiber incorporated into the shake. This fiber acts as nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting healthy digestion. A well-functioning digestive system can be a reality with regular consumption of health shakes, even preventing certain digestive conditions. The versatility of health shakes extends to weight management as well, for on a quest to attain or maintain a healthy weight, these shakes offer a satisfying low-calorie alternative. The right mix of ingredients can keep you feeling full while curbing your cravings, without having to compromise on taste or nutrition. Equally appealing is the convenience factor. Next time you find yourself reaching for an unhealthy snack due to lack of time, pause and consider a health shake. It's just as quick to prepare, more nutritious, and undoubtedly tastier. In essence, a health shake isn't just a beverage, it's a powerful tool for overall wellness. It ensures you get your daily dose of nutrients, supports digestion, and aids weight management. And the icing on the cake? The customization abilities that let you tailor it to your palate, making each shake as unique as you are. Now that we understand the benefits, how about we dive into some recipes? Our first recipe is the Green Power Shake, a powerhouse of nutrients. Now, this isn't just a tantalizing smoothie, it's a complete meal in a glass, ingeniously designed to infuse your body with clean, energy-rich green goodness. Our journey begins with a large of fresh spinach. This is no ordinary leafy green. Spinach is hailed as a superfood, bursting at the seams with an impressive array of vitamins like A, C, and K. Furthermore, it's loaded with wholesome fiber and iron. This nutrient-dense vegetable is low in calories. However, it doesn't skimp on health benefits. Apart from that, it's an excellent source of folate, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in promoting your body's ability to generate new cells. Moving forward, we incorporate a ripe banana into the mix. Bananas are a versatile fruit, lauded for their rich vitamin content. They're particularly renowned for their high potassium levels, which are instrumental in maintaining heart health and keeping blood pressure in check. But that's not all. Their natural sweetness is a bonus that adds a dash of delightful flavor to our shake, making it a treat for your taste buds as well. Next up, we sprinkle in some chia seeds. These humble seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Not only do they enrich the shake with nutrients, but they also help curb hunger and keep you satiated for longer. The blending stage comes next. We incorporate a cup of almond milk for its creamy consistency and its extra shot of calcium. Of course, you're welcome to substitute this with coconut water or just plain water if that's what you prefer. Blend everything together until it takes on a smooth, creamy texture. The result is a vibrant green color, a visual symbol of the nutritious goodness you're about to imbibe. If you have a sweet tooth, don't hesitate to sweeten things up a bit. Feel free, add a drizzle of honey or perhaps a splash of apple juice to give it that extra sweetness. Once everything is seamlessly blended together, pour your creation into your favorite glass, and there you have it. Your Green Power Shake is ready. This shake is a fantastic approach to incorporate greens into your diet, particularly if you're not keen on consuming them on their own. It's an ideal choice for breakfast, or even as a mid-afternoon energy booster. Additionally, it serves as a stellar post-workout drink, replenishing the nutrients your body craves after an intense workout. Enjoy this refreshing shake first thing in the morning for a healthy start to your day. You'll be astonished at how this nutrient-dense, scrumptious shake makes you feel. Always keep in mind, investing in your health is not a cost, but an essential investment for a brighter, healthier future. Next up is the Berry Bliss Shake, a delectable delight packed with antioxidants. Begin your day with an explosion of vivid hues and a salvo of health benefits. That's the magic of the Berry Bliss Shake. Beyond its appealing aesthetics, this shake is a dynamo of nutrients designed to give you an extraordinary health bolster. Let's delve deep into the ingredients that make this shake so special. Firstly, we have the main ingredient, an assortment of mixed berries. Raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries are the key players. Each variety of berry imparts its unique set of antioxidants. These compounds are like the knights of your body, protecting it against various diseases. These berries are also abundant in fibrous content, ensuring you feel fuller for a longer period, preventing binge eating. Moving on, we incorporate Greek yogurt into the mix. This isn't just for the sake of its smooth, creamy texture, but it's an excellent reservoir of protein. Protein, the building blocks of is pivotal for growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues. Furthermore, Greek yogurt is crammed with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that keep your gut in a healthy state and strengthen your immune system. To infuse a dash of natural sweetness, we incorporate honey. Honey isn't merely a sweetener, it's a natural energy booster and is acclaimed for its antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Now it's time to assemble this health-filled spectacle. Into the blender go the mixed berries, followed by the Greek yogurt dollop. Next, we drizzle the golden honey. Blend it all until it transforms into a smooth, creamy concoction. To adjust the consistency to your liking, you can add a splash of almond milk or water. Lo and behold, your Berry Bliss shake is ready. Brilliantly colorful, tantalizingly tasty, and laden with health advantages. You'll receive a substantial dose of antioxidants from the berries, a protein punch from the creamy Greek yogurt, and a natural energy surge from the honey. This delightful shake is the ideal solution for appeasing your sweet cravings in a healthy manner. It's an excellent way to kickstart your day or refresh yourself during a sluggish afternoon. Plus, it's easy and quick to make, perfect addition to your busy schedule. Enjoy this tantalizing Berry Bliss shake and indulge in the bliss of good health. This shake not only satiates your taste buds, but also contributes to your well-being. So here's to a vibrant, healthy, and delicious start to your day every day. And there you have it, your Berry Bliss shake. It's vibrant, it's delicious, and it's loaded with health benefits. You'll get a generous dose of antioxidants from the berries, a protein punch from the Greek yogurt, and a natural energy boost from the honey. This delicious shake is perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth in a healthy way. It's a great way to start your day, or as a refreshing pick-me-up in the afternoon. Enjoy the Berry Bliss shake and relish the bliss of good health. Before we move on to our final recipe, here's a quick reminder. Now, perhaps you're thinking, I could use a refreshing green power shake, or a Berry Bliss sounds great for an energy boost in the morning. Well, you're in the ideal spot. This space is all about sharing health and wellness tips that can help you lead a healthier lifestyle. We cherish our community and actively aim to help it flourish. If you find value in these recipes and health tips, please consider subscribing to our channel. Each subscription offers us tremendous encouragement. Moreover, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's a gesture that helps us a lot. Do you have friends who are health enthusiasts or those who might appreciate a good health shake? Feel free to share this video with them. Small actions like subscribing, liking, and sharing contribute significantly to our growth and enable us to keep providing you with delicious health-boosting recipes. Now let's get back to our last health shake recipe. Our final recipe is a chocolate protein shake, ideal for post-workout recovery. Now what makes this shake uniquely delightful and muscle-soothing? The secret lies in the perfect blend of chocolatey goodness and healthful components that help your body recuperate after a strenuous physical activity. Starting with the first ingredient, unsweetened cocoa powder. This isn't your standard chocolate flavoring. It's a treasure trove of antioxidants, assisting in reducing inflammation within the body, serving as a miniature battalion shielding your cells. Furthermore, it contains flavonoids, compounds associated with enhancing cardiovascular health. The cocoa powder gives the shake its delectable chocolate flavor while packing it with health benefits. Following that, we incorporate almond milk into our mixture. This is not just an alternative for those avoiding dairy, but a nutritional powerhouse all on its own. Almond milk is low in calories, yet brimming with essential vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of vitamin E, critical for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, as well as supporting a robust immune system, making it an ideal addition to our shake. Next, let's shine the spotlight on the star of our shake, the protein powder. Proteins serve as the building blocks of your muscles. Post-workout, your muscles are akin to a sponge, ready to soak up all the nutrients you provide. Consuming protein after exercising aids in the repair of muscle fibers that were broken down during your workout, fostering muscle growth and recovery. This makes the protein powder a non-negotiable ingredient in our shake. To add a touch of sweetness to our shake, we'll incorporate a ripe banana. Bananas not only add a natural sweetness to our concoction, they're also high in potassium, a mineral that aids in maintaining fluid levels in the body and managing the movement of nutrients and waste products in and out of cells. It's an underappreciated superfood that brings a lot to our shake. Finally, we add a spoonful of almond butter. This butter is rich in healthy fats and fiber, which will help keep you feeling full and satisfied. It contributes to the shake's overall creamy texture while simultaneously providing your body with essential nutrients. When you blend all these ingredients together, you create a recovery drink that not only benefits your body, but also satisfies your sweet tooth. It's a testament to the saying, health is wealth. Remember, what we consume plays a role in our overall well-being. Our diet is a key component in determining our health and fitness, so it's important to make mindful choices, especially post-workout. On this note, let's end our recipe. Next time you finish your workout, don't forget to whip up this chocolate protein shake. Give your body the nutrients it needs to recover and thrive. This shake is not just tasty, but also helps your muscles recover after a strenuous workout. So, we've learned some great health shake recipes today. This journey began with an open discussion about the marvelous benefits of health shakes. To quickly refresh your memory, these shakes serve as a fantastic method to incorporate a full day's supply of essential vitamins and nutrients in a single, tantalizing gulp. These concoctions can significantly enhance your digestive process, supercharge your immune system, and even assist your weight loss efforts. Isn't it incredible how you can customize each shake to perfectly fit your personal health objectives and dietary requirements? You are in complete control of what goes into your shake, thus allowing you to craft a unique potion that is perfectly aligned with your individual needs. Our first creation was the Green Power Shake, a dynamic fusion of super nutritious greens such as spinach and kale. These greens are beautifully offset by the mild sweetness of apples and bananas and a hint of ginger. This shake is a veritable treasure trove of vitamins A, C, and K. Furthermore, it is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which helps you feel satiated and content. Transitioning from the Green Power Shake, we introduced the Berry Bliss Shake. This delightful concoction is a fusion of assorted berries, Greek yogurt, and a touch of honey. This shake comes loaded with antioxidants, which can play a key role in your cells from harmful damage. The Greek yogurt ensures a hefty protein kick, keeping you active and energetic throughout your day. We also explored the Chocolate Protein Shake, a sin-free, chocolate-laden delight crafted from unsweetened cocoa powder, ripe bananas, refreshing almond milk, and a scoop of your chosen protein powder. Particularly beneficial for post-workout recovery, this shake offers a balanced blend of protein and carbohydrates for replenishing your energy reserves and aiding in muscle tissue repair. Bear in mind, these are only the foundations. Feel encouraged to experiment and modify these recipes to cater to your palate. Craving more protein? Toss in a handful of chia seeds or a dollop of nut butter. Need an extra hint of sweetness? A spoonful of honey or a few dates would do just the trick. There you have it, folks. 3 straightforward, nourishing, and delectable health shake recipes to jumpstart your voyage towards a healthier you. Keep in mind, integrating these shakes into your day can dramatically enhance your well-being. So, What are you waiting for? It's time to shake up your routine. As we wrap up, we hope you found these recipes inspiring. These aren't just mere recipes, but a tribute to the dynamism of health shakes. Showcasing a harmonious fusion of fruits, veggies, and proteins, these shakes are proof that healthy can be tantalizingly tasty. Amidst our fast-paced lives, we sometimes neglect our nutrition. However, these shakes present an effortless, accessible solution to ensure you're providing your body with the necessary fuel to thrive. They're speedy to whip up, effortless to consume, and brimming with vital nutrients. Encourage yourself to try these recipes. Feel surge of vitality, the smoother digestion, and the enhanced concentration that comes with optimal nourishment. You may just discover these health shakes are the missing link in your path to a fitter, more content version of yourself. As part of our online community, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Continue being healthy, and we're excited to see you in the next video.